Hi my beautiful people, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove extra spaces. For instance, you have a name like this one, Steve Jobs or Roger Penrose or Thomas Edison. For instance, there's some extra spaces. So I'm going to show you using Excel, using trim function. Or you can have a name, for instance, maybe another name, maybe Bill Gates. Yeah, now you have like extra spaces like maybe 3 or 5. Sometimes you might have a data which has a lot of extra spaces. So how do you do it in Excel? So you're going to use the trim function. So these are the names of famous people in the world. So what you're going to do is just put an equal sign, then trim, exactly, then do this, which particular cell, then close the bracket, then enter. So you see, only one space is available, Arnold Kilaini. So when I just double click here, all the way. So all the extra spaces have been removed in Excel. Just only one command of trim, and just by drag and drop, you get all your names in shape. So this is the way of doing the removal of extra spaces using trim function. Thank you a lot.